Types of DNA. In 1953, double helix DNA model was proposed by Watson and Crick, and it has typical B form everywhere in all conditions. But later on, after 20 years, various experiments led the discovery of different forms of DNA. And these forms are A form, B form, and Z form. A form, B form, and Z form. So, B form of DNA is biologically important form which is naturally found in most living organisms. This form of DNA can be found in other different forms like A form and Z form in conditions like relative humidity, ionic strength, salt concentration, and sequence of nucleotides. Other forms differ from B form in features like number of base pairs per turn, distance between two base pairs, and its diameter. A form of DNA is right-handed but less hydrated than B form of DNA. About 11 base pairs per turn with a shorter distance between adjacent bases. It is bigger in diameter. B form has 20 angstrom diameter. Here 23 angstrom diameter. Bases are tilted more in relation to the axis of helix than B DNA. A DNA may occur under experimental conditions. Now, Z form of DNA. It is a radically different duplex structure with two strands coiling in left-handed helices and forms zigzag pattern in the phosphodiester backbone. Z-DNA can form when DNA is in an alternating purine-pyrimidine sequence such as GC, GC, GC. And indeed, G and C nucleotides are in different conformations, leading to zigzag pattern, to which we call as a Z pattern, and therefore Z-DNA. And it can also found in solutions of high ionic strength, such as 2 molar sodium chloride solution. The helix of Z-DNA is 18 angstrom in diameter. We have seen B-DNA 20 angstrom, then A-DNA 23 angstrom diameter, and here Z-DNA is having 18 angstrom diameter and contains 12 base pairs per turn. Here in this chart, one can see the difference between B form, A form and Z form. So related with base pair per turn. B form 10 base pairs, then in A form 11 base pairs per turn, and in Z form 12. Related with vertical rise per base pair, B form 3.4 angstrom means the distance between two base pairs. In A form 2.56 angstrom, while Z form base pair distance is 3.71 angstrom. Now rotation per base pair. In B form 36 degree, in A form 33 degree, while in Z form 30 degree. And helix diameter in B form 20, A form 23 angstrom and Z form 18 angstrom. Here you can see some conditions under which B form or A form or Z form can form. So B form is observed under 92% relative humidity and low ionic strength of the solution. A form of DNA is observed under 75% relative humidity and presence of sodium, potassium or cesium ions. Z form is observed when very high ionic strength of solution is there. Now C value paradox. So this chart gives idea about C value in different groups of plants and animals. So C value is the amount of DNA in the haploid genome of an organism. It varies over a very wide range with general increase in C value with complexity of organism from prokaryotes to invertebrates to vertebrates to plants. C value paradox is the paradox in amount of DNA and complexity of organism. Eukaryotic genome size fails to correlate with complexity of organism. The largest genome is found in amoeba, a one-cell organism with 6,86,000 MB, 200-fold larger than human genome and 20,000-fold larger than in yeast. Our current understanding of complex genome reveals several factors that help to explain the classic C value paradox. Introns in genes, regulatory elements of genes, pseudogenes, multiple copies of genes, intergenic sequences, repetitive DNA. The fact that some of the genomic DNA from complex organisms is highly repetitive, and in some proteins are encoded by families of genes, whereas others are encoded by single genes. It means that genome can be considered to have several distinctive components. Analysis of kinetics of DNA reassociation, largely in 1970s, showed that such genomes have components that can be distinguished by their repeated frequency. This is all related with the C-value paradox.